Well, good morning, everyone. We are looking a little bit squeezy today. Nice bounce back in the crypto market after another crap day yesterday. And this is despite some fake reports trying to shake out the crypto market. And right now, it's a question of, can we get enough volume? Can we get enough push once US money wakes up to keep creating this green that we're seeing today? And we're going to talk about that in this video. I want to highlight a few other things that are going on that are very good here. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I love what we're seeing. And yeah, we're seeing green throughout the crypto space. ADA actually a great bounce all the way above its 50-day moving average right now, on the verge of actually getting to 73 cents. And what I'm liking about this is actually a little bit higher high than yesterday. And this is still coming off of lower volume in the crypto market, kind of like we talked about. And somewhere in that 120 to 140 billion dollar range is exactly where we fell. 128 billion dollars over the last 24 hours, and actually ADA trading volume very good over the last 24 hours, $1 billion. Okay, so this is all great signs. Again, great price defense, great technical support, and I'll show this again here in just a moment. But what we've seen over the course of the night is just run with some small retracements here and there, and we're building something really good, potentially heading into a nice week ahead. I'm not ready to say that that's going to happen. I'm not saying that we, can't go lower or anything like that. What I will say is when we look at the weekly chart in terms of ADA, this was a great bounce off of that 50-week moving average. Okay, we're on the verge of actually closing our weekly candle above that 20-week moving average, which is our bull market support band. So yes, this is actually really good. Now, what I will say is, again, things are looking a bit squeezy. First of all, we did flip bullish on the daily stochastic RSI. It's not a huge confirmed flip, but moving that trend or moving that direction nonetheless. But when we look at BTC here, we're pressing pretty hard against some short leverage here. And this leverage is thick. It's very compressed. It actually runs all the way up to 120K. And again, it's a question of, can we get enough volume in the market? Can we get enough push and confidence in the market to create that squeeze? Same thing with ADA. You guys can see massive concentration here. We have been liquidating shorts all morning. Not a crazy amount of long leverage filling in behind here, but there's some, so just be aware of that. But this push, very easily, there's a little bit of a gap around 76 to 78 cents or so, but theoretically, I mean, there's leverage even above here too. Actually, let's just zoom out for just a moment and just take a look at the 1 week chart. We'll probably see a little bit more to the downside. Yeah, a little bit there, but just look at how this is filled in, guys. This is, you can't ask for more. We've talked a lot about this bear trap, and a lot of people have said it's not a thing, it's not happening. I mean, this is exactly what its intent is. The only problem is that we've just continued to drop in terms of price. And that's fine. It's like I've said, if you keep sucking in more people, the longer it goes, the more explosive the moves out of those drops can in fact be. And it looks like that's what we might be building towards. Great technical bounce here on the total 3 chart. You guys can see we came down, we retested that breakout moment. So this is around $928 billion in terms of the total 3. And guys, remember, this was our breakout that we fought against back here in May. Finally broke through, breakout, retest, and this would be a perfect spot for us to bounce. Now, what I will say is that they tried to rattle the markets late yesterday. There were actually all these reports coming out about China banning crypto. Guys, it's not a new thing, okay? It's nothing different. we know that crypto's been banned since all the way back in 2021 in China. We know Hong Kong has been starting to open things up throughout this market cycle. There are reports of China starting to open things up here as well. Obviously, China's been stimulating their economy now for quite some time too. So when this thing opens up, you're actually talking about the exact opposite happening. A big inflow of capital from people that are sitting on the sidelines there. So yeah, I'm glad that the market wasn't fooled by this. I actually saw this late yesterday. I was taking some time to relax. I was actually watching a band yesterday, just enjoying my time, and I hope everybody else was. That's what I tend to do when the charts are kind of ugly. But yeah, we've created now a little bit of a bull flag here. I love what we're seeing. So I can't really elaborate much beyond that. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about where you think we're headed. Again, the big thing I want to remind everybody is it's still the weekend. We still don't have institutional money. Apart from some surprises, I would still expect us to see lower volume today, still somewhere in that 120 billion to 140 billion range. We could eke above there if we do start creating some of these squeezes to the upside, but we'll just all see how the weekend plays out. So have a great day. Share your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.